In the midst of chaos there is also opportunity. That ancient wisdom by Sun Tzu holds true in today's fast-paced online world. In this video, we'll show you how to apply timeless battlefield strategies from the art of war to your modern digital hustle. Whether you're starting a brand, freelancing, or creating content, these tactics can help you win the online game, smartly and strategically. Step 1. Know yourself and know your enemy. Know your market. You need to know your niche, your audience, and your competition. This step is all about clarity. What are your strengths? What makes you unique? Then, research your competitors. Look at their offers, content, and weaknesses. Study your audience's needs, behavior, and buying habits. Understanding the battlefield gives you the advantage. Success starts with strategic awareness, because guessing is gambling, but knowing is power. Step 2. All warfare is based on deception. Master persuasion and positioning. Sun Tzu's point here, strategy beats brute force. Online, that means positioning yourself in a way that captures attention and builds trust. You don't need to lie, but you do need to frame your offer wisely. Use persuasive messaging, leverage your strengths, and highlight the benefits your competitors miss. People don't buy the best product, they buy the product that's best presented to them. Step 3. Appear weak when you are strong. Underdog advantage. In the online world, authenticity beats flash. Use your small size to your advantage. Big brands often feel robotic, meanwhile you can show your personality, connect directly with followers, and build genuine relationships. This approach builds community and trust. The small creator energy is powerful. Your agility and authenticity make you stronger than you appear. Use it to surprise, over-deliver, and grow fast. Step 4. Move swiftly like the wind. Speed is your weapon. The internet rewards speed and consistency. In 2025, trends come and go in days. Don't overthink, execute. Post regularly, test offers quickly, and react to feedback fast. Whether you're launching a product or publishing content, the quicker you move, the sooner you learn what works. Rapid action builds momentum, and momentum builds money. In a digital war zone, the fastest player often wins. Step 5. Attack where the enemy is unprepared. Find hidden niches. Why fight in crowded markets when you can win in overlooked ones? Instead of competing in saturated spaces, identify where there's demand but little competition. Look for underserved micro-niches or new trends. Use tools like Ubersuggest, YouTube search, or even Reddit to find unique angles. Being the first in a new space gives you a massive edge. When others aren't looking, strike. Step 6. The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. Build passive income. True mastery means earning without fighting daily battles. That's where passive income comes in. Sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. Use affiliate links in blog posts or videos that generate clicks forever. Set up email funnels that convert without you lifting a finger. These systems work 24/7, even when you're offline. The goal isn't to hustle harder, it's to hustle smarter. Step 7. Plan for what is difficult while it is easy. Prepare for growth. Most online businesses break when they grow too fast, because they weren't built to scale, so prepare now. Start creating systems, automating tasks, and documenting your processes. Use tools like Notion, ChatGPT, and automation platforms to handle repetitive work. Hire virtual help before you're overwhelmed. The best time to prepare for complexity is when things are still simple. That's how you build a business that lasts. Sun Tzu was a master of war, but his strategies are gold for online entrepreneurs. If you want to win in business, stop playing checkers while others play chess. Apply the art of war to your digital hustle. Drop your favorite Sun Tzu quote in the comments, and tell us how you'll use it to level up. Subscribe and share this with a fellow strategist. Let's build your digital empire, one smart move at a time.